Hello guys, we have Epson Inkjet printer and the model is L3150 printer, inkjet printer. We have some printing issue with this printer, and what is the issue? I'll show you. Check this picture. This picture has some colors missing. I think black color is missing, and we have connected this printer to our laptop, and let's check by first printing the nozzle check. Go to nozzle check and print. Now see, if the result is above 1, then it's good. If the result is below 1, the cleaning needed. Now let's check what result this printer gives us. See, we have almost half of the colors are missing. Yellow color is good, and the other colors are not coming out, so we need to clean the nozzle. So for what let's check. Now what we have to do is to press clean. It will start cleaning now. Sorry, this we need to do this process again and again until we get the result like this, like good. Now let's check. There is no difference. Let's check the print nozzle again. Second round of cleaning completed. Okay, let's check. Let's hope for the good result. Again no luck. So guys, we didn't get results after repeatedly cleaning the nozzle check and head cleaning option. Now what we have to do is we have to check the waste ink area, and we need to manually suck the ink from the nozzle. So this is the printer. I'll show you. Get a screwdriver and here we have this waste ink bin, or just open this screw. Okay, now let's open. Just pull it. And it will open. Just you can see here we have this waste ink bottle, and just I'll show you opening this. Just pull this. Okay, now we have one screw over here as well. Oh. Here we have this waste ink bottle, and I'll show you here. Here you can see a little pipe coming from the cartridges for waste ink. Here it is the outlet. What we have to do is I'll show you, just pull out this pipe. Here you can see, just pull out, and now I will show you how to suck ink manually from this pipe with the help of a syringe. Now I'll show you how to suck ink from this pipe. Check. See, just put the pipe in the syringe and suck a little bit. If the ink coming, when the ink just stop it here. The ink plus the air in the cartridges, in the from ink tank to cartridges, if there is some air, that will come out of this pipe. So now I will just stop it here. The ink now continued. You can check this ink. So okay, I will keep it side, and I will put this pipe again. Put the screw again. Now I will do head cleaning once again after clearing the waste ink pipe. Check. Okay, start. Okay, the cleaning has completed and the printer is stable. Let's print this nozzle check. After our thorough cleaning of the waste ink bottle and waste ink pipe manually, let's print. We hope the result will be fine. Wow, check. Now we have this result. We have black ink text 100% okay, and here you can check. That to print another picture. Print and okay. So here we will just change some settings. Print quality, print paper, Epson quality inkjet paper. Here we have checked Epson photo quality inkjet, and just quality should be high. Okay. Wow, check this result. Perfect. Better than the original. You can see this one. This is normal print quality, and this is high print quality. Thank you guys.